It seems that this girl is not cooperating for not ready for all. Ma'am, I need you to bring your seat upright, please. I have the freedom to do whatever I want. Can you buckle your seat belt? I don't have to do anything you said. Last warning. Can you stow your tray table away? I am sick of hearing from you. That's it. Force you to stow your tray table. I'm going to have you arrested. I'm going to buckle your seat belt. I am so going to get you fired. Now bring your seat upright. Hey, police, stop! Man, stop! Why? This is not okay! What do you think? Oi, I'm taking a shortcut. Someone help me here! Oh, this is crazy! They spread rumors already. But that's a mess up. This is crazy. This airline is interesting. Oh, do you know who my father is? I do not know. Well, so this is going to go viral. What? Well, someone tell me what is going on. They spread rumors. I know the truth. You're the lizard person. I am not a lizard person. What is going on? Oh. Someone help me here. Okay, hold on. Let me go and take photo first and I'll let you know, okay? I'll pause this video and take photo, okay? Okay, take a photo already. Look, how? Flight attendants arrest them! Spread rumors here. Baby crying. Oh, what's going on? Okay. Well, someone tell me what is going on. This is crazy. What is going on? Okay. Man, I need you to go back to your seat. I'm gonna duct tape you. This is going to go viral. Sir, I need you to monitor her, okay? And I'll fast forward this video. Let me go to the jump seat area first. Okay? Okay. Okay, we are at the destination. What happened here is just that just like okay, the police need to be on the left hand side here and I'll be on the right, okay? So because it's the two ways here in A380, I need cabin crew to open the door right away. Male police. That one with fierce one, look. Move it now. Oh guys, it's a serious one. Ma'am, you are going to come to the station. Whatever, I didn't do anything. Come, get me off. Oh, look serious, look. They are both are the unhappiest one, look. It's a serious man here, the police officer here. And I'm just a trouble here. The police officer is the serious one, is a not happy one. So this is the two of the male police. The angriest one and the upset one, yeah. So let's see what happens next. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to force her to sit upright. This girl purple hair is not cooperating. Ma'am, can you please bring her seat upright? No way, leave me alone. Buckle your seatbelt, please. I don't have to do anything you said. Last warning. Buckle your seatbelt. Don't speak to me again. That's it. I'm gonna force you to sit upright. I am so going to get you fired. Buckle your seatbelt. Police. You cannot do this to me. Of course I can do this to you. This is not acceptable. Police. What is going viral? I know the truth, you're a lazy person. I'm not a lazy person. This is not okay. Well, someone tell me what is going on. Someone do something. This is crazy. What is going on? Right, I just arrest them. This airline is interesting. Everyone got spread viral already. Spread rumors. This is going to go viral. This is going to go viral. Flight attendants arrest them. Stay away from me. It's no way to stay away from you. Someone do something. Oi. Someone do something. Do something. Someone do something. What's going on? Someone do something. This airline is interesting. See, I have to do this again. Look. Please spreading rumors. Ma'am, I need you to go back to your seat, please. You cannot do this to me. You know who my father is? I do not know your dad very well. Now, ma'am, I need you to back to your seat, please. I need you. This is not acceptable. My dad is David Bazooka. You cannot treat me like this. How dare you? How dare you? I can't wait to see for this. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward this video straight away. Okay, we're in Tokyo already. The police just there. Japanese police officer is around the corner here. I need someone to open the door. That fella, I'm going to have you arrested. Someone open the door, please. It's getting too far away, look. You cannot see here because it's the long way. Oh, there's a twin sisters again. Okay, I need to make it fast forward here. Police, you are going to come with us to the station. Why have I didn't do anything? Release me. You should be arresting the crazy flight attendant. Ma'am, I need you to calm down. We are talking about this. Look like the twin sisters again, look. It's the twin sisters. That's why I mentioned. Yeah, because it's the same blondie hair, yeah. Yeah, look like the twin sisters, yeah. Let's see what happens next.